Yo, these dudes are riding my ass about spell check. Listen, I run a multi-$100 company, all right? I don't want to hear that.
It's today's unboxing. Can anybody tell what it is yet? Oh. Not till the end of the video. It's kind of frustrating. I'm looking to do a voiceover here for this next video, but the way the sun's coming in here, I just can't stop it. But I'll tell you what, that's where it's at right now. All right, that line I made was at 748. It's 804. And it looks like it's somewhere down here, but you know what? It's good enough to do the voiceover. So actually, let's go upstairs and punch in first.
Advice to anybody who's thinking about starting a YouTube channel who might not already know: don't go around radios, because the YouTube hit squad will come and take you out for real. They already hit me up a few times over this copyright violation stuff. Yeah, go near him, and then the best part is, go ahead and try to plead your case. If the copyright holder says you violated the copyright, the only one who can change that is a judge. So who's gonna go in front of a judge over a YouTube video that doesn't even make him $5 on a video sometimes? It's just stupid. How are you?
All right, how's it going?
Good. All right, cool. So I'm still working on that perfect facial. Got some product here that should help. Facial that we offer in the barbershop is gonna be like significantly improved. Should be somebody here by now. I got a student here, Jennifer, and she just brought in her Ostervolt, so she made the jump. She got one of the best clippers in the game, and it's really cool, and I'm super excited for her because this thing's gonna last a long time. These are not cutting well, even though she's clearly oiled them, she's clearly cleaned them, and there's a couple reasons for that. So I actually can help her. So we'll get into that a little bit later.
Okay.
You're gonna get you can't handle the truth. No. You want the truth? No. All right, so these guys are asking me what the Wahl wedge blade is, and for those of you who may have missed one of the last videos, I just want to catch you guys up on it. All right, the Wahl wedge blade and the standard blade, I got them both right here. Okay, so on this clipper you have the standard blade, and on this clipper you have the wedge blade. And what the difference actually is, if you look at the teeth on the wedge blade, that would be the one on the left. The teeth on the wedge blade are longer, okay? And the wedge shape is the same basically on both of them, but the length is a little bit longer, which means that basically in the end, the only difference is the throw that you get, the length of the throw that you get. So yes, it travels the same distance, the lever itself, however the blade travels a little bit further. So because it's longer, because the teeth are a little bit longer. And basically like where this can really help you out is it really shines when doing skin fades or when doing really any fades, because you just have that extra little bit of throw, which is why we like the fast feeds so much, because there's a ton of throw on the fast feeds and it really just helps you get that blend, you know, a little bit easier. I quit my job, all right? I quit my job, and you know, there's been actually a secret vlog series that I've been doing this whole time, and I'm gonna release that vlog that I've been working through this whole process as far as like what I've been doing and all the behind the scenes stuff. But you guys are gonna have to wait on that because everything ain't final yet, so I can't talk about it. All right, guess I gotta go upstairs and get them their law packets because no one's prepared. I actually had to tell the owner of the school that there's been some developments, and I will not be able to work Tuesday day anymore, but I will work at night, so I'm not gonna leave anybody hanging. So I'll just be doing the same thing, but I'll be doing it at night instead of in the day, which kind of sucks because honestly there's a lot more going on in the day, and I feel like I could help a lot more people in the day. But for now, I just try to do the best I can, you know? Thank you. Yours is cosmetology. Do you have one?
Can I have one for cosmetology? Is that possible? Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have an extra
You can
one?
go.
Do you have an extra? Oh,
Payday.
Payday.
Hey, we getting paid.
Doing my check. I can't leave stuff laying around. We're gonna get into this law thing. I'm just gonna film all the stuff we do. Hopefully you guys will want to make this a little more fun and play a little bit of a game with certain aspects of this, and we will really start to understand it and we can have a good time with this. Time for the unboxing video yet?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy. Makes a guest appearance.
I'm back. I know y'all been waiting for me. I'm back. I'm here. I know y'all missed me.
Where were you today?
I was taking my dog to the vet.
What's up with the date?
And I cut my hair. Y'all notice?
Wait, I got that fade.
What's up with
I
that?
cut mine today too.
You got the crop top. That's like a British crop right there. We can pass this test so that we can move on, and then maybe you can even pass your state board test. So there's that. And no, Joe wants to open
Shout
it,
out
but it's
to Eddie
not-
Barber for
It's not time. It's not time for that. Hold up, they probably can see what that is. That's the last part of the video. Students who were late and they weren't here. Now Joe wasn't late, but he wasn't here. Manny was late. Kenny was out playing with dogs. And Adam, you know, this is the most participation I've ever seen from him. I mean, he's really been killing it today. He answered like 3 questions. How many board members are there? What's the difference between the board and the department? Just Kenny. Shane might be Kenny. What's DPPR stand for, Kenny? Kenny?
Department. Board.
This is what you need to study. You need to be studying your pamphlet. All right, don't be worried so much about ours. But like honestly, the stuff that we're talking about, from what I remember from my exam and talking with others and debriefing afterwards, the majority of stuff was fairly common knowledge kind of stuff. You do hair in California in the capacity of trade, seminar, and TV.
Yes.
Yes, as long as you have a license in the state of Florida or any other state for that matter, you can practice in the capacity of a show. So I mean, basically, as long as I'm filming my YouTube channel, I can go anywhere I want. You know, it's just, wouldn't that be like a loophole? You know what I mean? Okay, so my main working student does not want to do the color that's coming in at 1, so I got to find one of these other guys. Hey, who wants to do this color? Okay, that's a no. You don't want to do no color? Adam, how about you? You about to leave school. You almost done. You want to do the color?
Almost done.
What about you?
I always do.
No? You never done a color in your life.
Yes, I have.
She's already got some. What about you?
No, he's been doing color actually.
Alright, so the last
I
line
always
of defense.
do them.
The last line of defense.
Always do them. Go back that way.
You doing it?
No, I always do
You
them.
turning me down.
Amazon.
Alright, so it appears that we have a bunch of people in this room who are gonna do hair for the rest of their life, and for some reason they don't want to do some hair right now.
I've never seen a guy.
Riddle me this. Okay, Joe thinks that he's gonna pass the test first try. I think that Joe needs to practice a little bit more and maybe study just a little bit. So we're gonna give Joe a little question or 2 before we go ahead and give him the test, because I don't want to see him fail. But I'll rephrase these questions a little bit. The board chair resides in Crestview, Florida. The board? No. This is Joe. Joe already got that one wrong. You should have answered that. False. It's in Tallahassee. Come on. You got the first question wrong, Joe.
Quorum? Oh, it's a quorum.
The board consists of 7 members appointed by the governor. How many are licensed barbers?
5.
Then why'd you put 2?
I put them in the wrong spot. I didn't read it good enough.
The
5 are
first
licensed, 2 are just
Oh, do you know what? I think I
plugged in. We ain't gonna plug in. Listen.
Ain't got no power.
Shake my
Why you
hand.
got that blade on it?
Shake my hand. Because I don't have any other blade.
That's the truth. Yes. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to figure out what the target level is, which means that we gotta just go get a swatch. We put the swatch on there, we'll check that out. Then we figure out what the existing level is, and then we'll formulate to reach that existing level. So go grab the swatches. How about that?
I have a question.
Yes.
Can you come right in a blade and tell me what kind of blade?
Sorry. Vlogging all day.
We'll see how it works.
Taking an awful lot to cut that. I think working pretty good.
Yeah, I think
they
I
are
might have to
working.
reset the tension on it, but all together.
No, I think they're working pretty good though.
Let me see. Bring your arm back out here. Let me see.
I might have to shave my. Look at you, really? Bro, that's what's supposed to be on the inside of the wrist. Now I'm gonna have to shave my arms, or I'm gonna look stupid.
So we got a 507. Okay.
And then just roost because you don't want it all. Okay.
So many
So
colors.
zero is ash. Why do you add for the covering grays ash?
No,
No, you.
ash is 1.
I know, but
in the Wahl scale.
you are going to mix 5 of
Yeah, so 0 is natural.
natural. Yeah.
So like natural colors that occur in nature, 0. So you have a level 1, level 2, level 3, and it's 3-stroke 0, 4-stroke 0. That's how well it does it. So that's the first number is the 0, and that's natural. So that means that has the most of it. Now if it's 0-3, then that's gold. Red, violet, anything like that, you would just look for, okay, violet, so you could find a 4-6. That would be like a violet, you know, a darker violet. And you probably won't need that much because she doesn't have that much regrowth. You know, if you just try not to paint too far beyond that line, and if anything, like it would almost be better if it's like a tiny bit darker than her actual root, darker than her actual color. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I promised you guys an unboxing, and today we're gonna do the unboxing on this one here. Does anybody know what it is? Before I open it up, you can kind of see it through the bag. Let's open this thing up. We already knew what to expect. Of course, I've worked with these machines plenty of times already. The only thing you get in the box is your charger and basically nothing. And let's see what number I got or whatever on this one. Pretty expensive, but I'm gonna be working with these things throughout the next week. I'm gonna do another review on them. I kind of made a mistake with my past review. I did a review on something I didn't own. I borrowed it from a friend, and it's kind of a mistake I don't plan on making again. So we already know we gotta go through to zero gap these. I got my magic clips to go ahead and cannibalize those and take the bracket off. I already know I got to go through that. And I'm going to do that same thing to my Andis cordless LI. I just happen to have a Wahl wedge blade on there, and I want to try this with the wedge blade. So that'll be the setup and the blade that I rock it with. And yeah, we'll see more of this in the next video. You just missed out on the other half of the class.
What
I didn't realize you were in here.
Yeah.
We just did more recap.
What?
We just did a whole nother recap for at least an hour.
What time is it?
I didn't know he's in here with the hood up,
Yeah.
watching videos, sleeping. He's got the coffee and all that. All right, Priscilla.
Yeah.
You hold the fort down. This place is a mess. We'll get people in here cleaning it. Watch out. In Southwest Florida, there's snakes in here. Except for this time of year, they're torpid. Oh, you did not.
Ooh, it's gone.
Oh, man, you look so much better, bro. Man,
I feel light.
I called a pound on you earlier.
Pets in a barber shop unless they're enclosed in an aquarium. Fish, turtles. It's an aquarium. Maybe iguanas enclosed in an aquarium. Spiders, crickets.
How about service dogs?
Yes, that's the only exception. But
What?
It's been 10 minutes since he uploaded this, and he already has 21 comments and 71 views.
In the pipes.
Shout out to Mike Dema.
The next.
Shout out to Frank Martinez. Shout out to Daniel Haley.
People are really nice. You guys are really engaging in the Mr. Eddie Bob book.
Go.
This is what I've been doing. I've been changing the date on my computer so I can always have the trial version, so I don't have to pay for the software. How the hell you got 44 comments but only 14 likes? The hell is
Yeah, I
that?
mean, what's up with that? You know, here I am trying to give something away to you guys, And all you guys run to the comments, and you know, I want to help somebody out, but then I come back up here and I look at this sad little thumb that's only got 14. And I know someone's going to thumb this video down because there's somebody out there, I swear, the second I load a video, they'll be like, "Dad, you giving stuff away?"